If you guys want the chance to have your Instagram handle shouted out in the video, make sure you stay all the way through so you can find out all the details on how to do that. Oh my God. Alright, what is going on, guys? My name is Alex Widdick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today, guys, I'm super excited. We're gonna get the TT back up in business and we're starting with these. If you guys are new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscription button, go ahead and hit that subscription button right now. Guys, today's like goal is 500 likes and today's hashtag is smile. Hashtag smile as seen on the screen, and I think we should put some more positivity into our days. This coil pack right here is stock to the car. This is the OEM coil pack. This coil pack probably only has about 20 to 30,000 miles on it, so I took these out when I put in red top coil packs. I thought the red top coil packs were cool, but they were used from a friend. Now, I don't think that was wise for me because ever since I put those red tops in, the car has not been two-stepping like it used to. It used to put their foot on the floor. It used to go crazy. If you guys not see yesterday's video, we did some two-stepping and I was not impressed at all. If you want to check that video, it's in the description. Right here I have these red top coil packs. I put these red top coil packs into the car about 2 to 3 months ago. I got them from a friend for free. His GTI had actually rolled. He's okay. And when he was about to hand me the coil packs and he's taking them out of the car, he actually dropped one of them on the ground. And ever since I put them in the car runs fine, but it does not want a two-step, so I suspect that maybe the frequency or something like that is a little bit messed up in one of them, so we got to fix that. In the engine bay, for what I was going to take apart to get to those red top coil packs, I saw one of the sensors that goes to the intake and it was actually broken, flopping around. It had 3 vacuum hoses coming directly off of it, and the top one that went to the sensor was actually completely broken off, and as you guys can see, this T was doing absolutely nothing. It was bleeding boost into the air, so that is a no-go right there. But he gave me one of these, and if you guys want to throw it down in the comments what this actually is, that'd be great. But it actually goes into the intake right there, and hopefully we're not going to lose any boost through there. But we definitely need to get rid of these red top coil packs because that has always been an issue, and I did realize that was snapped from day one, so that's not the two-stepping issue. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these red top coil packs and throw these stock ones on. But first, let's go ahead and throw that sensor into the car. A really fun, easy to do 2-second install. It took me probably about 30 seconds. I sped it up for you guys, but right here the solenoid is broken at the bottom, so I'm really happy that we were able to replace that. I didn't know what this part was called, and I probably wouldn't have known what to even look for, so big ups to Sean for just giving me that random piece and it actually being needed by me. But now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and rip off the charge pipe and we're gonna rip out those red tops. Let me know down in the comments what kind of tools you guys got. I currently use just this Milwaukee tool. I got it from you know, the good old Lowe's. I got the drill and impact combo for like 150 bucks. Can't beat it. Boost pipe comes right apart. Look how quick that goes. So a lot of you guys weren't subscribed when I made this Amazon special boost intercooler piping. I think it's kind of funny. You guys might find it kind of funny as well. So this is actually the original piece. It went up like an L, and I just made this simple cross section right here with a little bit of you know, softness in the middle so we can move it out of the way. So I'm just gonna move it out of the way for that coil pack and then that coil pack, and we're gonna have to go ahead and move this one 10 millimeters. So let's get to it. Got my big old extendo right here. Gonna hook it up to the Milwaukee, nice quick connect. And then I've got this 110 hooked up. It's supposed to be a bunch, but I didn't know how the setup was gonna go, so I just did it really quick. So now that that's all up, we're gonna be able to expose all of this other stuff in here. And let's go ahead and let's remove it all. Actually forgot one bolt in the center right here. That's real quick. And then it completely comes apart. This being on top of the valve cover, I'm actually just going to get rid of that. I'm not going to put it back into the engine bay. All it was doing was supporting this one vacuum line block. So I'm going to go ahead and zip tie it up to something for now, and we'll figure out somewhere else to put it, or maybe there's some kind of delete kit I can get. But the cylinder head looks way better. I love the valve cover, and maybe we even polish this up at some point, but let's go ahead and take these out. Now, as you guys saw in the last video when I did this a couple months ago, if you weren't subscribed, you're lost. All these clips were actually broken, so I want you guys to be really careful. If you have a TT or if you have an older car that's gonna have plastic clips, this clip is completely destroyed. The gasket on it's destroyed, so I'm actually gonna need to get a new one of these. Maybe you get something to pigtail in. But as far as these go, the red tops, you just give them a good little pull. with 2 hands. I'll put the camera down and we'll get it out. So now that I have a better grip on it, I just gotta unclip it from here, give it a little wiggle. It's coming up. It wanted to fight, but as you guys can see, it's all white in there. It's milky and stuff like that. It looks like sand. So obviously water was getting down in there because they don't have a gasket like they're supposed to. There's supposed to be a block that actually goes on here, a whole gasket system that the stock ones have. You can see where it's actually clean around here. So inside of this coil pack, it was actually full of water. You can't really see a drip, but there's probably ½ an ounce of water in there, and it's just completely filled with water. So these not having a gasket on them is not a good thing. Now when you get red top coil packs from like ECS or something like that, they always come with a bracket that holds them on. But me getting these from a friend, he didn't have them, so I just threw them in there. But usually they come with a bracket that will seal them off properly. You guys can see there's like a side mount on here that would center it out on the bracket. Now that I've got all the coil packs on this table, you can actually see all the corrosion that went down with water and whatever really got down there. And the hole that was the most wet, I actually just looked into it, and it looks like it's completely submerged. The whole spark plug's completely submerged in water. When I had no hood, I thought that these seals right here would allow, you know, enough protection, but it really didn't allow anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to sop that out with a paper towel or something like that. And we're gonna still throw the stock coil packs in there, even though we have a hood now. I'm not throwing these red tops back in there. Like I said, one of them was dropped. I don't know which one it was, and I'm not gonna take a chance. So let's get some paper towels and shove them down the hole. Absolutely nothing fancy here. Just gonna take this one piece, I'm gonna roll it up, and we're gonna stick it right into the hole. It's gonna do the job. That's cylinder 1. The transmission side, that's cylinder 2. You can see all the debris down there. Here's cylinder 3, I believe it's called. And you can see it's just completely submerged in water. It's so deep in there. It's literally just above the top of this the spark plug. And then down in here, it's corroded, but it's completely fine. There's really no debris down in there. If you guys saw down into the spark plug holes, you definitely see what I'm talking about. Those red tops weren't allowing the moisture to stay up and out of there since there's no hood. So I'm gonna go ahead, take that paper towel, and we're just gonna send it down in there. I'm not really too worried about the debris. We'll just blow that out. I'm not really, it doesn't really matter all that much. And I'll get it out to the best of my ability, but let's go ahead and send the paper towel down in the hole. Observe, the paper towel was dry before it went into the hole. I'm just gonna smash it down in there, pull it out, and it's not that bad. But it's dry in there, so I guess there wasn't that much moisture, but you guys can clearly see it's pretty dark. Oh my God. That's a lot of stuff that just came out of that 4th cylinder. I think that's 4th cylinder. I really don't know the numbers, but there's just so much stuff down in there, but just simply blowing got a lot of stuff out. So got all the coil packs out of storage. As you can see, this one, since it doesn't have the proper seal, got all the water down in there. But when you flip these over, these have a 2 bolt down system, and they're all the way around. That's a complete seal, which sends seats on here where you can see that the material is way cleaner. So we're gonna pop those back in now that the spark plugs are all cleaned up and that whole area has no water inside of it. And we're gonna tighten it down, throw the plugs back on, and hope she runs better. Now, since all the coil packs are tight, I got the boost coupler back on. Little impact so it doesn't blow off. And everything looks really good. I'm stoked on it. As I tighten everything up and I go to check everything out, the freaking exhaust is loose. I mean, honestly, I'm not surprised. I still don't have an exhaust gasket. I did order the wrong exhaust gasket. I just haven't ordered a new one. Bad on my part. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab the 14, tighten up all 4 of those bolts, and we're gonna start her up. Exhaust is now tight. The dog bone mount is now tight. Bunch of stuff had to be done off camera, but it's underneath the car, greasy, dirty. Hands are clean now. Tools are off to the side, all sporadic and about. Got to move the Mark 6. we'll start the TT up and we'll move it out of its spot and see if it runs any better. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Milo Mitchell, as seen on the screen. Milo's a big supporter of the channel and he said some nice things, so go ahead, give him a follow on the Instagrams. As you see on the screen, this is what he said. I appreciate you. Thank you for all the support, man. And if you guys want the chance to have your Instagram handle shouted out on the YouTube videos, make sure that you just comment down below why you enjoy the channel, include your car if you want, and include your Instagram handle. And that's all that's needed to be shouted out in one of my YouTube videos. First things first, we got to move the Mark 6 out of the way. I parked this Mark 6 a little bit, you know, catty cornered, you know, your boy went out and did some two-stepping last night, so, you know. Someone went past the house and they came up to see where the TT was. They wouldn't have been able to see it from the roadway, so we got to move the Mark 6 so we can get out of this little hole and get her back onto the road. So, let's do it. We made it really far, as you can see. For one last little check, this thing looks all good. Boost piping is all tightened up. Coil packs are all plugged in. The exhaust is tight, so let's rip her. I'm excited to see how it starts up. It used to start really good with the red top, so it probably should start well now. Oh, beautiful. Of course, I had to put the top down. Only way to drive the TT. So pull it out a little spot and we'll give it a rip down the road. I'm interested to see the two steps. Oh. So while the TT is idling, it's warming up. I just want to take this chance to really thank you guys for getting me so close to 20K, supporting me every day, leaving the awesome comments, and really showing me what kind of family we have going on here. And it means so much to me. So guys, I appreciate you, and I wouldn't be here without you. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm gonna keep trying to go, get you as much content as possible, but quality content as well. And I'm just gonna keep trying to motivate you guys to work on your cars, keep smiling, and that's all that really matters at the end of the day. We have cars, we do car stuff to smile, have fun, and make ourselves feel awesome. So she's warming up, and I hope you guys enjoy. God, it just blew up the boost coupler. Of course. Come on. Are you kidding me? I haven't had this happen once yet. Right after I stopped filming that clip, the nut just got stuck right there in the intake. How lucky did I just get? I'm gonna get my magnet, we're gonna save it. Little Harbor Freight pickup, this thing's $3. You guys should definitely invest in this. Little swing extendo. And just like that, that's all tight. Let's send it back out. Hopefully that doesn't blow apart again, but it felt amazing. It literally felt like it was pulling way better than I'm used to. And then she just blew apart. So let's send it for round two. I'm going to drive my car. Little boat's my passenger, and little buddy boy there, he's going to be singing a song. Zero it. But yeah. Ooh. I just blew off my coupler. Can I get an F in the chat? Oh my God. Oh, she almost died. Going back home. I blew the coupler off again. I'm sick of my neighbors hearing this. Keep blowing the coupler off. I think I'm gonna have to like bead roll the end of that thing or something like that, because right now it's just a straight sleeve. And obviously this car's A1 ever since I did that solenoid. I think that we honestly had I think we had a huge boost leak or something, because that other solenoid was missing the top of it, and that's things like a pressure reader or something. I could be wrong, but I don't know. The car seems way more responsive, and to blow the boost coupler off twice in a row after just doing all that stuff to it, I don't know, seems a little fishy to me. Let me know in the comments what you guys think it is, and if you know the part, definitely comment that down below. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching all the way through, make sure you guys are subscribed. And I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day even though my car is broken. I hope I can spread some of that happiness to you guys. Whether it's broken or not, I'm in the Audi. I'm having fun. I got the Mark 5 over there with all that camber. I don't know, there's nothing really to be mad about, and I hope you guys have the same feeling. Let's see which boost coupler came apart. Oh, this one. What the hell? I put it on there in a little bit of the wrong way. Maybe it was a little crooked or something like that. Seemed pretty good to me. Had a few clicks here and there, you know. The impact was doing its thing, so I don't know why that blew apart, but at least it isn't that back part. That is very easy to put together, but I'm done messing with this for tonight. I was gonna get a little reckless, but it's getting a little dark, and I embarrassed myself by having this thing blow the boost coupler off twice already. Thank the Lord. No guys, that's me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Hopefully next video this boost coupler will stay on if we are even touching the TT. We got the Mark V and we got some other things going on. So guys, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you're messing up. And if you are subscribed, make sure your post notification bell's on. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. Hope everything's going well with you guys, and I hope you're excited for the next video. Get us to 20K. We're so close to 20K. Share us with your friends. We're gonna be doing the 20K subscriber giveaway, so stay hyped. We're gonna be there soon, and just a couple more days, guys. Peace out, stay hyped, and be awesome, and be you. Peace.